What's up, everybody? It's After Ed Live with Jason Vest. I'm so excited to bring to you the second episode that we have filmed. I filmed this yesterday. Two great kids that I teach, Christian Cooper and Trey McCray, which you'll see at the end of the video. Basically, Christian Cooper is a beat maker extraordinaire. He's just an awesome kid. He couldn't wait to share this with you guys. Remember, the whole premise behind After Ed Live is to highlight things that kids are doing now. Amazing things, things that it should take years to be great at. They're doing right now, and this is the one place to showcase that. I also want to direct you guys to After Ed Podcast on iTunes and Google Play. This is where we're having great conversations with people. Episode 1 was me getting interviewed by my students, putting me on the spot. That is definitely worth a listen to if you want to know who in the world I am. Can't wait in the upcoming weeks. We have two amazing guys in the ed space and entrepreneur space. AJ Giuliani of Launch and Empower fame, and also Don Wettrick of Start Ed Up podcast and Future Ready You fame. Oh man, it's just going to be great month with these guys getting in on the podcast. So look, here's the deal. These are kids doing what they do best. They're putting themselves out there for you to see. If you have someone that you know that is capable of being on the show, anything that they're interested in, and they do it well, send me a shout out, comment below, and then also give these guys some loves and follow them. And yeah, you guys enjoy.
All right, so what's your name, man?
My name is Christian, or I go by a musical artist named Chris Scoop, and I make beats and make music as well. So
What's that you're doing right there? What is that thing?
right now I am setting up my what I call my workstation for when I make my beats. So this would be like, what produces the sound. This is what I use. This is where my DAW. That's where I use the software to make the beat. So I'm setting this up right now, and then we get started.
All right. So while we're waiting, how did you get into making beats?
Well, I've grown up. I've always liked music, and I just wanted to be a part of the musical industry. So I started listening to I listen to old school rappers a lot, and I also listen to present day rappers, and the beats. I feel like the beat matters as much as the artist matters. Yeah. So I just love making, because music can really get to people, and like I've heard a quote: "If music, the good thing about music is when it hits you, you feel no pain."
That's right.
And I just love the work, like the art of the music. So it's just a passion I have.
Where'd you hear that quote? You know who said that quote?
Bob Marley.
Bob Marley. That's right.
All right. I don't know if they're gonna be able to hear that though.
The mic's gonna definitely pick it up.
All right.
Hey man, whenever you are, it's your show.
So when I start, I want to make a melody like just any. I want to think of a beat that comes to my mind. So I just go. Maybe for this one, I just do it. All right. Hold on. Gotta take the tap off. And then usually I can just make a simple beat like that and then just loop it on, so where it can go for the rest of the song while I add other tracks to it. So just gonna loop that and then have that going. once I get that, I'll add maybe like I'll get to it, and then I loop that as well. So if it doesn't sound right, I usually double click on the track and then go down here to edit it. If it doesn't sound on key. You have to move it farther.
That's kind of what I use.
What?
Where it's like, yeah, like move it and I can make it longer.
Yeah.
Hey man, how'd you get in this video? What's your name again?
Trey McCray.
What's up, Trey?
So if there's space that you can kind of hear, I'll add like a sort of like maybe like trumpets to make that space filled in so it doesn't sound like.
Yeah, let's get some trumpets.
Yeah. Alright. Oh, dang. But if you could probably hear it, that's what it would sound like. It just filling the space. Like last time, so that one you just.
So if it doesn't come out exactly right, when you do, I mean, do you just delete it and then do another one, or what?
What I do is I just like add some to like see if it like sounds better. But if it doesn't, I like delete some out and then like try a new one.
Yeah. Like what I did, I deleted the trumpet because it wasn't on beat the first time. I want to make sure it's on beat the first time. Then when I loop it off, it doesn't sound right with the other loops. I just edit it, make it like spread the loop out, or make it closer. So that's what I'm doing now.
So when this happens and you're trying to do a beat and you get frustrated, what do you do? What's your...
Yeah, sometimes it does get frustrating because maybe I'll figure out in a song when I'm actually writing my own lyrics to the song is too fast for my lyrics.
Mm-hmm.
So sometimes I would have to go back and undo each track and slow it down. And then it does get frustrating at times, but I just gotta work with it because the end product, it comes out amazing. So
what I do is I just like take a break for a while and then go back to it.
Yeah.
So I hope you all really enjoyed Christian and Trey. I'd like to point out that we will be having episode 2, part 2, to these guys following up on this beat. I'd also like to point out my favorite thing and one of the biggest concepts behind AfterED Live. Certain platforms, certain programs, certain avenues, it's all about the filter. It's all about the aesthetic. It's all about the sound effects. But AfterED Live, I want it to be real. I want it to be raw footage. I want you to see exactly how it went down. I don't want to clean it up, spice it up, sauce it up, whatever you want to say. This is just real stuff happening from the kids. People can really see behind the scenes how it goes down, that it's never always perfect. It's never going to be exactly how it appears on the screen. But in this case, it is. You're getting the raw footage. You're getting the real deal. So tell a friend. Tune in next time, AfterED Live with Jason Vest. Can't wait to share our next episode.